Today I am at the facility where we make sound-absorbing material, and I wanted to show you a few products, both in progress and finished products ready to be packed. Here behind me, there are actually several surface panels with the Materica wall finish. Here they are, with the treatment just done. They are very fresh indeed, so I won't handle them right now, currently. And this is the finish, which has a wall effect. It has a wall effect, but the material still remains a sound-absorbing product. This finish can also be made in many other colors and even custom ones. Request. Here instead are the Atelier panels. We are in the assembly phase. Not yet. The sound-absorbing material has been mounted inside the panel frame. Now I will show you some details of how these Garvan Atelier panels are constructed in more detail. Going into detail, I want to show you the texture of this fabric as well. I hope it. The seam and the stitches that are carefully and precisely at the corner areas. Here inside, the sound-absorbing material is assembled, which in our case is fiber, made of polyester and obtained through the recycling of plastic bottles. Here are two incredibly huge panels with the beautifully crafted Materica wall finish, which will later be cut carefully to make the Garvan parquet solution. We perform the Materica wall and Materica cement treatments internally, accurately, behind this door. And this is our painting booth, where we do our painting. There are many other sound-absorbing panels from the Garvan Atelier series. These are really oversized, giant, and this also has an additional crossbar to further reinforce it. Now I am getting back to work right away, because we have many things to present to you very soon, in very few days. Thanks, see you.